Moving on to the other big breaking story that we are getting, the leads we are picking up on the Shraddha murder case. Latest update that is coming in that the Delhi police has summoned the family members of Aftab Poonawalla. Remember, the narco test of Aftab will also happen in just within 5 days' time. Latest update, of course, coming in that the family of Aftab has been summoned by the Delhi police. Remember, there's not a word, nothing of that sort coming in from the family members who are still untraceable. So after the family that has gone into hiding, Delhi police is trying to connect the family of killer Aftab. In fact, we are also given to understand that one more team of the Delhi police will be arriving in Mumbai to continue the investigation. So the police trying to gather as much evidence as they can against Aftab. A senior official of Delhi police will also be questioning the family of Aftab. Sandeep reporting live from Mumbai. Sandeep, we understand that the Delhi police has summoned Aftab's family, but still any leads that we are picking up as to where the family can be, because there is no reason, if there's nothing wrong, why would the family go into hiding in this case?
See, so far Delhi police will be summoning the family of Aftab Poonawalla, and they are in search of Aftab Poonawalla's family, and in fact they are trying to connect the family members of Aftab Poonawalla so that their statement can be recorded, because their statement is very much crucial in this case. And in fact one more team will be arriving here in Mumbai, in Vasai, in fact by evening, and a senior official of Delhi police will be questioning the family members of Aftab Poonawalla. But yes, most possibly that the family members of Aftab Poonawalla could be questioned by tomorrow, maybe in undisclosed location. But so far the Delhi police has not been able to connect the family members, but yes, they are trying to reach them, and possibly what we have been told by our sources that their statement could be recorded by tomorrow by Delhi police, and a senior official of Delhi police, a higher rank official, will be questioning the family members of Aftab Poonawalla, and their statement will be recorded by tomorrow.
All right, Sandeep, they're reporting from Palghar. The update coming in, of course, that the Delhi police has summoned Aftab's family to record their statement. Let's see how this pans out. But here's a look at a quick 1-minute report on other stories that are making headlines across the country.
कि फरवरी 2019 में इस एयरपोर्ट का शिलान्यास हुआ था और ये सौभाग्य मुझे मिला था, और आप तो